Good morning, students. Very warm welcome to all of you. Students, today we will start our first GK lesson, abbreviations. Abbreviation is a shortened form of a word or phrase. For example, cm stands for centimeter, kg stands for kilogram. Now let us start our question answer session. Question 1, match the following. Abbreviation of AM is antimeridiem and amplitude modulation, which is option E. AM stands for antimeridiem. The Latin phrase antimeridiem means before noon or before midday. Next, BCG stand for Bacillus calmette guerin, which is option H. BCG vaccine is a vaccine primarily used against tuberculosis. In countries where tuberculosis or leprosy is common, one dose is recommended in healthy babies as close to the time of birth as possible. Next, CBI stand for Central Bureau of Investigation, which is option M. CBI is the premier investigating agency of India. It was formed in 1941 as the Special Police Establishment. Next abbreviation CM. CM stands for Chief Minister, which is option B. Next abbreviation ICC. ICC stands for International Cricket Council, which is option A. ICC is the world governing body of cricket. Next abbreviation is IAS. IAS stands for Indian Administrative Service, which is option J. IAS is the administrative arm of the All India Services. Next abbreviation IATA. IATA stands for International Air Transport Association, which is option G. IATA is a trade association of the world's airlines founded in 1945. Next abbreviation is INS. INS stands for Indian Naval Ship, which is option D. Next abbreviation is INA. INA stands for Indian National Army, which is option C. INA was an armed force formed by Indian nationalists in 1942 in Southeast Asia during World War II. Next abbreviation is NCC. NCC stands for National Cadet Corps, which is option A. NCC is the youth wing of armed forces with its headquarters at New Delhi. The next abbreviation is NCERT. NCERT stands for National Council for Educational Research and Training, which is option P. NCERT is an autonomous organization of the Government of India which was established in 1961. Next abbreviation is ONGC. ONGC stands for Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, which is option O. ONGC is an Indian multinational crude oil and gas corporation. Next abbreviation PTO. PTO stands for Please Turn Over, which is option I. Next abbreviation is UNESCO. UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, which is option L. UNESCO is a specialized agency of the UN aimed at contributing to the building of peace, the eradication of poverty, sustainable development, and intercultural dialogue through education, the sciences, culture, communication, and information. Next abbreviation is UNICEF. UNICEF stands for United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, which is option M. UNICEF is responsible for providing humanitarian and development aid to children worldwide. Next abbreviation is WHO. WHO stands for World Health Organization, which is option K. WHO is specialized agency of UN which is responsible for international public health. Let us see fun fact. Here is a tongue-in-check abbreviation ASAP, stands for as soon as possible. Now children, we will meet our another session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.